Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is unboxing of different brands that sent me PRO packages and a fashion brand that sent different outfits. Let's get right in. Hi guys, hi babes, hi mommies, hi daddies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a PRO unboxing product that I got. I want to show you these products and let you know my take and the reviews on them. I'm starting off with this brand. Fitswear is a Nigerian fashion designer. They are based here in Warri Delta State and they make bespoke outfits for both male, both female. Are you a bride? Are you a groom? And they also make nice corporate outfits for workers, you know, those of you that are involved in 9 to 5 jobs. Nice corporate gown, nice corporate shirts, nice corporate trousers, they got you covered. I've been working with them for a couple of years now, let's say 2-3 years now, and they give you value for your money. So starting off, like I said, I'll be trying out these shirts for you to see the fittings and obviously let me know your take. You can follow them on Instagram. Then next I have here is the Mino Beauty. Mino Beauty is a Nigerian brand product that I've really improved over the years. I've known them for a couple of years now, let's say 3-4 years or 5 or more. But one thing is sure, they keep getting better with their brands, and these are their newly improved and newly launched products. I will be uploading a couple of videos soon using their lip glosses and their matte lipstick. They have quite a number of matte lipstick, 7, and then you have like 8 lip gloss here. And starting off with the Luscious Red. See how red it is. I'll be doing a video of all this product for you to see. Mino Beauty, can you see the swatch? See how beautiful it is behind the back of my hands. If you like that red, it's called Luscious Red. And then next I have with me is Darling. What do you call your husband? Darling. What do you call your lover? What do you call your husband? This is Darling. See how lovely it is. And there's something about this lip gloss. It's not just mattifying, it is shine retro. This is retro, and I love this color. I love this shade for bridals, for wedding. I think I'll be doing my makeup and I'll be using this shade. I'll definitely show you how. Man, you're seeing it, like you're seeing it, eh? By the way, how are you doing? It's been a while that I've filmed a get ready with me video. Do you want to see a get ready with me kind of video? Okay, next here we have Candy. Smells nice, nice fragrance. And it looks like the color of my nails, by the way. Candy, wow. Of course, this is something you should try out. I like this one, Candy. Next is Miss Ladies. Wow, I like this one. They are not too shouty, they are not too loud. They are something actually apply on your lip alone, and then yeah, good to go. I like this one. Miss Lady. This is something you need when going for that wedding. You don't need to be walking around with a boring lips, okay? This lip gloss got you covered. Just look for the one that matches and suits your skin color and you're good to go. Before you tell me you're not a makeup artist, doesn't necessarily mean you must be a makeup artist to get a lip gloss. When going out, you need a lip gloss, okay? Look at my lips. My lips are given. Now let's move into the matte lip stain. Matte lip stain, we have varieties of the lip stain here. I'm starting off with Cookies. Yeah, this is nice. Let me tell you something about colors like this. They are not just dark. They are good and they are perfect for lining your lip because you need a lip liner. And most times you don't want to use a pencil because pencil can easily fade off and pencil might not be that pigmented except you are using a very good pencil. So you see this lip liner, Cookies. Everybody loves Cookies, right? This is something you should try out, you should look out for. Okay, back of my hands. Let's assume you are lining with this. Check out the mixture. Check out the mixture. Just imagine. Cookies is something that goes with almost everything. See, I go get yourself some cookies. Next we have is loyalty. We all know that everybody needs a loyal friend, a loyal sister, a loyal brand that you can trust your money with. So loyalty is also another perfect shade for wedding. They are blendable. They don't just dry. And then moving on to this Keme. Yeah. And please, the orange, light orange color is nice. You can see how you can also blend it. I'm taking my time to just blend for you to see. It is not a matte lip stain that dries off immediately, no. It gives you time to play around. It gives you time to blend upward and downward, anyhow, left, right, front, center, okay? Next with me is Vanish. We all know we need red matte lip stain, okay? There's something about red. It gives you one kind of sexy look, and this is Vanish. The butterscotch, my favorite. In fact, anything that is matte and nude got me. See what I mean? See what I mean, guys. As in, see what I mean. It's a matte lip stain, but it doesn't dry immediately. It takes time. It takes time. I love colors like this for wedding, you know. I'm just trying to imagine how my next bride will be looking. Butterscotch. I hope you are enjoying this video. Like, share, comment down below, and please subscribe to this channel. That's that for Mino Beauty. So I'm not just showing you these products. I have used some of them. I need to show you first a proper unboxing. I like to use products before giving my reviews. You know, I don't just want to come on here and be acting all surprised. I don't work like that. So when I receive any product I enjoy testing it out first on myself, then before proceeding to testing it on a client, before investing in it, and before selling it out. Now, I do that because it gives me a lot of time to really think and do my proper investigation about the brand. I need to give you value for your money. Next, right here is D Beauty. They're on Instagram. D Beauty. Eyeshadow palettes, they have different colors. See how pigmented it is. So now this D Beauty's eyeshadow palette contains both your matte eyeshadow, your pigmented eyeshadow, and your glitter eyeshadow. And you can see the shades. Nice. I love this color for the eye crease, and they are also perfect for smoky eyes. You can follow them on Instagram, D Beauties. And then they also this is your mascara. Lengthening mascara, your eyeliner. I love how tiny it is. Perfect for your eye wing. I love how tiny the tip is, and I love how black it is. And it seems it dries off immediately. Pencil, liner. Idea. This pencil good though. And you know they break anyhow. I'll do a proper video and you get to see. Like I said, this video is an unboxing video. And then they have, I love this, lip gloss. You have lip gloss, red lip gloss, 21. I think they have different number. This is 19, this is 21. So you can check them out on Instagram to see the different colors and numbers that they have. Lover of red. So proceeds. This one, no hypo. When they say seal it, I used this on a bride on Saturday. Practically had to call her later at night to ask her how her makeup was. The makeup did not shift. The makeup did not melt. Do you understand? We have lots. Me, I'm a fan of high-end products. I'm a fan of drugstore products, you know. Charlie Tilbury, Hydro Milk, setting mix, those are my favorites. The Morphe, the Huda Beauty, those are my favorites. But you see this one, So Pro, forget this one. She did her assignment, she finished the assignment, she passed the assignment. This one, no worry, wait, I have a video coming up. You will see how this simply just take off the powder effects. What am I saying? Let me just spray on my hand. Should they say no moving, no shaking? See this spray on my hand now. This spray on my hand, is it moving? Is it shifting? Okay, no shifting, no moving, meaning your makeup is not going to be melting away. See where I sprayed, seeing it. So guys, and see, I don't have eyeliner, it's a bit sticky and it's shining. Now take a very good look at where I applied the spray. There are certain things that you should not ignore. In this social media, we have a lot of unnecessary hyping of products. This one here, there's no hype. I'm just showing you. No, me, I like to show you things that will give you value for your money. Carry your money, go buy this one. Check the price online. They're on Instagram. Buy your money, save and go buy this one. It's lock all your makeup, seal all your makeup, no shifting, no drifting, no cracking, no breaking. And then next I have the Silver Milk. I believe you guys have seen this on Instagram. The Silver Milk eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is not just pigmented, it's eyeshadow palette. And these are foundations. I don't even know how I am going to be explaining these foundations to you. One thing is sure, just look out for my next couple of videos. There's something I love about this brand. The foundation is not just mattifying. The foundation does not oxidize. There are a lot of Nigerian brand foundation that oxidize after some minutes. Like when I mean oxidize, there are some foundations that you apply, it's well blended, it's okay, it's bright, it matches to your skin. Then after a couple of minutes, after a couple of hours, you start seeing that the foundation is getting darker than your original application and your original skin tone. No, how you put them na so it dey. And another good thing about the Silver Milk foundation is that you can actually layer products on top. Like you can put other products. There are some products that if you apply the foundation, when it's time for the concealer, there will be struggle. You see the concealer moving away from the foundation. This foundation is that foundation that you can layer products on top and it doesn't shift, it doesn't move. You can put your concealer, you put your highlight, put your powder, you put your setting powder, put your bronzer, put all your blush, everything. This foundation goes nowhere. Where it is and where it is, okay? And to think that it's a Nigerian brand and also very affordable. See, gone are those days where you ignore Nigerian brand products. If you know you are still sitting on that shade, please stand up because they've really improved. They are trying. Fine, we have a lot of copyrights, we have a lot of product imitation in the market, but the truth is some of them are bringing their A game to this business. It's time to start looking into some Nigerian brand products. And by the way guys, if you're watching this video tonight, I want to say thank you, I love you. Please continue watching my videos. Just try to watch my videos to the end. Do not skip my video, please. We are now monetized. Please watch our ads and don't skip. Comment down below, share your thoughts with me, what you want to see on this channel. I am here for you, okay? I can't be showing you an outfit from the pack without trying it on. I'm going to try it on and I'll be back. Hi guys, I hope you love from the trouser down to the shirt. I'm looking like a babe. So guys, for those of you that are looking for corporate wears, fitwear got you, okay? You can see I'm not just coming up with unnecessary unboxing. I am giving you the right. This pants trouser is from Fitwear and this shirt is from Fitwear, part of the PR product I just unboxed. I did this makeup and this makeup will be going up on another video. I have a tutorials of this entire makeup on another video that will be going up soon. I'm just here to show you that Fitwear fashion got you covered. Like I said, you make all kind of bespoke outfit for both male and female, snatched and already. Okay, so like I said, they got you covered. I'm not just ranting about them. No, I'm not blabbing about them. No, I'm telling you, you can see this is not a ready-made. This is something that was actually made. And this is the first outfit I tried out, and this is the second outfit, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this PRO and unboxing video. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, share this video, tell your friends and your family members about Mamus Atey. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.